models of yaks, but an engineer called Bushy Ching said, give me a blank sheet of paper, I can take the basics and I can make a much better aeroplane than what we're copying from our Russian friends, and based on his Irish heritage. While the yak are just showing some of their formations, Cirrus coming around here. The Russian Roolettes are based south of Sydney on an airfield at Mittagong. They get together regularly to practice, even if they just practice as pairs and practice their part of the airshow. It's important to keep the skill level up and to keep working together. Hopefully you'll agree that that's a pretty neat formation. Now if you look to the right of the axe and look up high, here come our land checks for their final session. You got Raaf flying on the wing, ex-Mirage pilot. He also spent a bit of time flying wing shields. He was forward air controller on the wing shields for 77 Squadron, based out of Williamstown. Spent a lot of time going and doing exercises. Spent a bit of time with the troops marking targets for the FAUs to come in and wipe out. He got now is a captain on the A330 and flies for Qantas. He's on his own airfield in Berrima in the Southern Highlands of New South Wales. The lead Nanchang was recently restored by Luskin Aircraft Restoration, a local company in the Hunter Valley, and the crew chief for that aeroplane and man who had large parts with rebuilding it, Phil Deacon, in the crowd today, and I'm sure he So now all we've got to do, Grant, is get them into a position where they can drop the undercarriage and land. Each aeroplane will be 4 seconds apart as they pitch off their partner. They pull 3.5 to 4 G in that pitch at least, and it's surprising how much speed it'll quickly wipe off. You want to go from doing maybe 160 knots down there and a run in. Now the Yak 52s will do the same thing and position themselves behind the Nanchang. That's Nile in the red one doing it. Yeah, that's correct, that's Nile. If you get a chance to have a look at that aeroplane over near the finish. Sign written from the Moscow Aero Club. Second, talk about what happened, what went wrong. You need to be able to walk away, everybody happy and resentment, because you do hold one another's lives in your hands at times, and it's important that that sort of standard is maintained. Just going past go and see the guys from Luskin Tyre Aero Restorations and a big wave, guys. That's Egon Raaf, second airplane there, longest member of the Russian Roolettes. Been doing this quite a while. That's correct. Today, but he's also led the Tiger Moth formation, so he's had a very busy day, and I'm sure he'll be taking a Guinness or two at the conclusion. I'm sure it will be. But before we do debrief, the Russian Roolettes will be walking down the flight line today. We've got some stickers for the kids, and we'll just come down and say good day. So probably in about half an hour, once we finish debriefing, the boys will take over from our air boss for a while, apparently.
Oh, get on that radio, mate. And, yeah, my heart was in my mouth just watching the video.
That's right, National Geographic out filming and putting together a bit of documentary around this stunt because it is so unique.
First, here he goes, smoke on, cranking it over.
That's the motorcycle and an airplane out there, absolutely fantastic. Let's go, put your hands together, let them know you're out there. Incredible stuff from both of these athletes. Really, you got to be an athlete to be a pilot, isn't that right nowadays?
Oh, you certainly do, mate. You got to be able to take the energy of the aircraft, the G-force, the skies over Maitland, none other than the man. At some point, we're going to try and. Kilos. For those of you who can do maths, you can figure out approximately how much he weighs without 10 Gs. Of course, makes his head very heavy on his neck. He's got to have good neck muscles. He's got to keep himself in very good condition. He's spinning it right across the top. Flick rolls at the top there. Descent. Pulling out at the bottom there. These are the kind of maneuvers that you can see that are very active in there. The aircraft that was grown was custom built and weighs in at barely 650 kilos, but it was powered by a 400 horsepower engine, making it without doubt the highest performing aerobatic airplane in the world today. Very close to the highest performing aerobatic flying. It's going to do a little better, but this is an amazing display from an incredible pilot. Just hovering up there, absolutely holding himself on the prop and hammering him over the top.
Amazing crowd out here today too for the Hunter Valley Airshow. Super excited to see so many people coming out and seeing the past, present, and future of aviation. Just some
try and get that microphone on so you can have a listen to Paul talking to us.
visuals, incredible commentary from Paul Bennet, incredible flying as well too. Super excited, you know, it just seems like it's building and building into this final stunt, and it's just amazing to see his acrobatic skills in the air.
Mate, have you considered getting the guys to talk us through their manoeuvres, putting some microphones in their helmets and letting them tell us what they're doing?
I think we'd have to put a few sensors on the microphone. I don't know that we'd be able to put that onto the public, but I'm sure the guys love it. No, they all love putting on a show, and they're no different than anybody else, and absolutely fantastic athletes on the freestyle motocross bikes, and really excited just to be part of the Airshow, combining all the skills here today, and really enjoying just being part of the crowd and having some fun. It's such a beautiful crowd. We're looking down the runway strip, and it's just, you know, wall to wall, and everybody's having a good time. It's a great day.
Absolutely amazing. Paul's doing something that even the remote control guys wish they could do. 4-point hesitation there going through. We're going to see if we can swap the live again to Paul in the cockpit shortly, but right now he's busy concentrating on some of these manoeuvres, getting all those controls across what, throwing that aircraft around for your viewing pleasure. To tell you the truth, it's also for Paul's pleasure. He gets a lot of fun doing these displays for you. There you go, getting some of that wonderful smell of smoke oil. Hovering once again, look at this, just hovering and pushing forward over the top into a tumble. The guys been preparing. Paul's as you can see, way out on the distance, if you look at the range, that's Paul's line. He's actually himself in position. Got a lot lower as he goes between the two there.
Absolutely 60 centimeters off the ground. It's going to be absolutely fantastic just to see him actually going through there so close to the ground, and we are looking forward to it, and it's great to see the airplane markers out there, all the Australian ramp design staff, and of course Joel Brown, he'll be out there as well too. Nice edge, here he comes through again, just lining up, the guys are getting ready, and ladies and gentlemen, just to see how he goes, let's hear it for him, put your hands together, come on, let's get these guys pumped up! Look at that. Incredible. Getting some juice and some gas, finding his feet. It looks like the stunt is. Are you guys ready for this or what? Let's hear it.
I could almost hear them.
Almost. You gotta make more noise than that. Let's go.